Madman. This is game 2. Windups versus Dragunities.
Madman versus
the Moose. Check out my page, The Madman. I've got Idiot Dancing Teenager if I can find it up on YouTube. But yeah, there will be up one in a few minutes. It'll be Windups versus Nordics.
Player played against Rochambeau 96. Rochambeau 96.
Okay.
Subscribe to my channel. It's down there. Previous video. Sorry about this. The first one's up there. The next one will probably be right there. If not, then well, I guess you're out of luck.
Okay. Starting game 2.
Begin.
Moose has elected to go first.
We don't need all the commentary.
Summon Dragunities. No effect.
Dude, we don't need
Actually, yes, I'll activate his effect. I'll activate his effect to send Dragunity to the graveyard. Send my Dragunity Acklys to the grave.
Yeah, I'm just hooked to the wall. I can't see much. The light's terrible.
Then
They didn't see a hint.
Then unplug it and let's go.
Oh yeah! I'll special summon. He goes to the grave. Mistleton's effect, I get Acklys equipped to him.
Okay.
Again, really sorry about the quality, guys. Camera's not really that good.
Set. Go.
Okay. Ready to draw? We will go Cyber Dragon, due to the fact we have a monster 99.
Okay.
Drop 3 cards. Heavy Storm.
Acklys.
Blow
for Cyber Dragon.
It's actually when the couple cards destroyed too.
Okay.
Now I'll set 3 cards. It's your turn.
Draw.
You show your hand. You didn't get your first hand in. Okay.
Double cyclone target it in your middle card.
Excellent move.
Set. Mistleton attacks Cyber Dragon. They're both destroyed. I take 21.
5,900. My turn.
5,900
Does he stay or go?
to 8,000.
Go.
Juggler. Attack. Yes, I take 1,000. Oh, it's not what I thought it was.
A quick question.
It's your turn.
Draw. Set. Duke's effect or response.
No.
Response.
Nope.
Sink.
Drops a solemn warning on the summoning. Nice. Got rid of Dragunity Knight Vadriana.
My turn.
Yes, we all know what that sounds like, Internet.
Gabolg.
Okay, it was Dragunity
My
Knight Gabolg instead.
No, Monster Reborn.
Again, we still know what it seems like. Key card.
Hey, he misplayed. He can't do that.
Oh, we're street dueling. It's one misplay per duel.
Okay.
Remove. Gabolg will destroy.
Take 19. I'm at 4,100.
5,400 to 4,100.
5,100.
5,100 to 4,100.
Okay, now I'm at 37, but he's blown up too.
3,700 to
My turn.
5,100.
Yes.
Activate. Dark Hole.
Activation of Dark Hole
Activate Windup
destroys.
Factory. It's your turn.
Go.
You could
Summon. Attack for 1,000.
Okay.
Go.
21.
21 to 51.
Wind up dog.
Okay.
Effect. He's now 1,800 5-star.
Don't you get the Wonder
Search.
Factory?
Searching soldier.
Is it special summon? Remove to your hand.
Hand. Attack.
Okay, I take 2.
Take 800.
Oh, yeah.
43.
My turn.
4,300 to
Draw.
21.
26.
26.
It's your turn. 20.
Go.
Duality.
Fail 3.
No.
That's not considered a misplay.
Nope. Left it out. It never take. Never shuffle back.
Glare is terrible on this.
Effect. Search. Puppy. Attack for 3,400.
Okay.
Putting
Going
him
from-
at you're at 1,300.
Juggler's attack.
1,300 to what?
What's Juggler's
26.
Dude, you're at 36. Or you're at 13.
13 to 26.
27.
What's your Juggler's attack?
13 to 27.
17.
Let's hope this is my destiny draw.
Draw the card.
Not what I've entered, but I can use it. What's your Juggler's attack?
18. That's soldier.
Or soldier. Whatever it is.
This glare is unbelievable.
Psych.
Keep.
Vortex.
Crap happens.
Heavy strong.
Who are you attacking?
Vort. I gotta see these.
Their attack lasts until the end phase of its turn. They're back to their original stats. Come on.
Vortex attack soldier.
Take 3. 24.
Go.
2,400 to 1,300.
Summon. No effect. Xyz. Leviathan.
Leviathan Dragon!
He's now at 2,500. Attack for 4.
400.
Yeah. You're at 9.
900.
Vortex's
to
effect.
2,400.
I
2,400.
get a 4 or lower winged beast type monster from my deck.
Okay.
Record over there so we can put it in. Okay. I'd hurry up if I were you, the moose.
Come on, Moose.
There's a special challenge running for just us duelists. We're trying to see if we can complete the duels in less than 10 minutes.
It's the YouTube time. Okay.
Mama?
Keep things
Trademark
mysterious.
YouTube.
Trademarks, YouTube.
Draw.
Sponsor.
Hi, people. Ow.
Shut up. Back in the kitchen. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that sexist. Not even sexist remotely.
Stardust Dragon.
Barcha.
Holy flip, it's a Barcha!
Can't. Is that 8 star? Okay.
Holy flip on a flip sandwich.
Shut up.
Yeah, I have a feeling I'm probably copywriting a bunch of famous YouTuber lines on accident.
Anything Rochambeau says is not on my fault.
And I really am sorry if I say anything that I'm not supposed to. Beep.
He is now at an additional 15. He's at 40. He's at 3,500.
3,500 attack points!
I lose 1,000, correct?
No. Is that bad? I'm taking off flanks by his effects. Barcha attacks.
Okay, so I lose.
32, 25.
I lost 7.
What's your attack or life points?
He was at 24.
I'm at 17. 17.
You're at 12 because flanks will attack you
Okay.
directly. Go.
1,200 to 900. The difference is 400 life points.
Sure go.
A strategic defense. Probably the only thing you can do. Okay. Why didn't you do that?
Set.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Attack.
Did that go till over 10?
Barcha attack.
It's destroyed.
Flanks attack.
I'm at
Game.
800.
What's he at?
5.
He's at 500.
Uh-huh. Those are all destroyed.
You go to 700 then.
Okay.
Go.
And what's your life points?
900. Wait, so
10 seconds.
Swinging game.